Today, we're gonna be doing the hot dog test on the SawStop table saw. And that is how quickly this happens. Within less than 5 milliseconds, the blade has come to a full stop and has dropped below the table saw within fractions of a second of coming into contact with that hot dog and not even leaving a scratch on it. So other than that, this table saw has a very incredible build quality. This was definitely the saw that I wanted to go with when I was looking at buying a new table saw for the shop. Everything on this saw is absolutely perfectly smooth, and I couldn't be happier with the overall quality of the saw. Having the safety feature built into the saw is certainly a nice thing, but we do operate the saw as if there is no safety feature, making things as safe as possible. But it is really cool to see the test showing exactly how that safety feature works. This is in real time, and it drops below there so quick that you can hardly even see it. This is slowed down 12 times normal speed, and I did a crosscut at a normal speed that I would typically do it at. If you love this type of content, be sure to subscribe to our channel and go ahead and hit that bell so that you'll be notified on all of the new videos when they're released. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at ToolsToday. You can see here again just how quickly that drops down there, and the hot dog is left without any sort of scratching or nicking on the hot dog. Now this is slowed down to 20 times slower than real-time speed, and you can see that break fire and stop the blade within 5 milliseconds, and it's really pretty amazing to see this technology in work. So a bunch of sawdust fell out, and I thought that was really cool to see. So as you can see on this hot dog, there is virtually no scratch left. I think I found a little prick, but you couldn't really even see it in the video. After something like this, the brake cartridge and the blade do need to be replaced, as the blade has been jammed into a block of aluminum, but it's a relatively simple process. Just take out the old one, install the new brake in there, and then install a new blade as well, and you are ready to begin cutting. This saw has incredible safety technology built into it, but by itself, it's an amazing saw. I am proud to say that we are now offering these SawStop saws available on our website, so definitely check them out there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you love this type of content, be sure to subscribe right over here. And for more great videos, click right over here.